came across the idea for this documentary. I saw a picture that grabbed me, and I started reading about the picture. It took me to the Davis Direction Foundation and the Zone, and the picture was Bobby and Lexi hugging after Bobby had been given an award. And I said, man, that is the love that holds this world together. We've got to tell this story.
Really important for me to be involved, to share the story of how Bobby and I intertwined, and then how no matter how many times you do fall, it's so important to keep trying.
We talk about this all the time. There are things in our occupation that are monotonous, but there's also a handful of things that give us joy and a sense of meaning for what we do.
It was such an important thing for us to be involved in this film because you will have to face it at some point in your life, whether it's with a friend, a family member, a sibling, a parent, and it is so important to be prepared. And that's what, to me, this film is all about, to understand addiction when it comes into your house.
Being involved in this documentary, to me, is just a huge step forward in spreading awareness and helping people understand that addiction absolutely knows no boundaries at all. My hope is that other people find inspiration, that it's okay to talk and it's okay to seek help, because not doing so can be devastating.
Storytelling plays a huge role in breaking the stigma of addiction. It was really important for us and our company to be involved in this documentary, to tell the story of what's happening in communities.
I think storytelling creates empathy, and empathy helps break stigma.
Just collectively, we were able to work together and make something that I think will make a difference in people's lives going forward.
Find a place to plug in to take action after you watch this documentary, because we always need volunteers at the Zone. There's always something to do. And if you're not in our area, find a place to plug in where you are.
The best way for people to get involved is, if you've got it, donate. If you have friends and neighbors who have this problem, support them and ask for help if you need it.